Welcome or welcome back to this channel where there is a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament, 5 a.m. Jamaica time. We have been looking at the book of John, chapter 11, and this is our third reading. If you have not yet done so, subscribe or like and comment on the videos. My name is Walter Williams, and if you want to learn more about me, check the description box below. All right, God bless you.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Today I'm going to read from John chapter 11, verse 38 to 44. What Jesus said, touch him heart one more time, and him go which part the grave did there. Now the grave added one cave with one stone in front of it. Take away the stone, Jesus said. But Lord, the dead man's sister, Martha said, by now the place must smell bad, cause of 4 days him in the fire. Then Jesus said, don't me tell you, say, if you believe, you would have see, oh God, big and powerful. So they move the stone. Then Jesus looked up in the sky and said, Father, me thank you for listening. Me know say you ever listen to me. But me I say them sitting here for the sake of the crowd of people where they are so them can believe, say, are you send me come. After Jesus done said that, him bawl out, Lord, say, Lazarus, come out. The dead man come out with him honor and him foot them tie up with piece of cloth. Piece of the cloth they wrap round him face. Then Jesus said to them, say, take the grave clothes off of him and make him one. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.